The year 2025 was very good to us because we were able to deliver over 40 projects to our clients through our partner and the contractor, Mr. 47 or 47 Investment Company. In the month of December only, we delivered 7 projects. That is very good for the company and very good for our clients because most of them enjoyed their Christmas in their homes. This is one of the projects. And as you can see, the developer or the contractor has done a very good job. The unit has been constructed on a quarter piece of land, and as you can see, the developer was able to strategically place the unit on the rear side of the plot to give you an ample space like this one for the greenery. From the main entrance, the client requested us to give him a driveway that will take his cars to the far front where we have one of the parking lots, and on this other side where we have the secondary parking lot. The owner of this unit has several cars, and the contractor was able to give him exactly what he was looking for. The unit behind me has a construction cost of 10.98 million Kenya shillings, and it is a 4-bedroom all-ensuite mansion with a print area north of 250 square meters. What do you get as an extra? As you can see, the landscaping has been done very well. The perimeter wall has also been done, and on this other side, you get a double employee quarters. What do you think about the unit so far? Do you like it? To me, I think this is one of the projects or the best projects that we have showcased, because we have showcased many more, but this one has no faults. If you thought Mr. 47 has issues with delivering excellent properties, I think this should be the only project that shows how he works. The unit is very, very, very well designed, and the utilization of space is just on another level. As you can see, the facade of the unit is interesting, attractive. The unit was able to get a nice coat of rough and tough. The windows are big to give you enough natural light, and you have been given big balconies to make sure that the unit is getting maximum aeration. On the front side, our client requested a lot of green spaces. That's why the contractor was able to give him 50 by 30 lot of a front yard. This is all green space, and you have several trees, you have some fruits, and you have the green grass just to create somewhere for you to relax. You also get a walkway to the employee quarters, and on this other side, you get a set of more flower spaces. On the rear side of the unit, you get the water tanks, which is a 10,000 liter water tank. You get the laundry area and the kitchen garden. We will see that when we get to that side of the unit. For the people who would want to invest on land, or people who would want to purchase land so that Mr. 47 can build for them, you need to get a pre-purchase inspection from us. And if you want to purchase a unit altogether, we also give a pre-purchase inspection on that, because we don't want any of you to be conned. Let's talk about the location of this unit. We are in Kafati. Kafati is in Murang'a County, right? Yeah, I think it's in Murang'a County, past Thika, before Keno. So Mr. 47 can build any unit across the country. What you just need to do is to call them, give them your design, or ask for a design from them, and they'll be able to give you something like this, or whatever you want. This is the entrance porch, and it welcomes you to the unit. Wow, wow, wow. If you have watched other videos that you have uploaded about this contractor, Mr. 47, you know this is the time to give him a round of applause. Just look at the quality. Okay, compare the first video you uploaded from his projects to this unit. I like how the utilization of space has been done, and as usual, you are getting numerous number of windows to give you a ton of natural light. The living room is big, it's huge, and you are getting a double volume here and a normal volume of ceiling on that other side. The staircase has been hidden on this other side, and it will allow you to access the rooms upstairs and the roof deck. I like the combination of colors that the contractor was able to give the client, and the choice of the curtains were just excellent. The ceiling heights are very good. I like the center lights, and the tiling work has been done very well. On this side, you are getting an open plan method. That's why you have an extension of the dining area from the living room. This space is able to fit a 6-seater all the way to an 8-seater dining set, and we are in Africa, so you must get a vanity just to make sure you are cleaning your hands before you eat. Hapa hakuna kula na fork and knife, and if you have to, bado utaosha mkono. If there is something that makes a unit to look very beautiful, is contrasting colors, and this kitchen is giving you a signature of the same. The contrast between the dark granite countertops and the white cabinetry is making this kitchen to look spectacularly beautiful. On this side, next to the window, you get a double sink, and this is where you should wash your utensils. Here, you have a space that has been reserved for your cooktop. A hood will be added here. All those do not come standard, and this space has been reserved for your microwave. What do you think about the size of this kitchen? I think it's good for many people. If you have a nuclear family, ama hutakangi watu wengi sana kwa nyumba, this is an excellent kitchen. And the unit is around 10 million, so it's value for money. The kitchen also opens to the dining area on that side, and you are getting this platform which would act as an excellent serving space. A kitchen is never complete without a pantry, and this contractor was able to give the client a big pantry which would fit all their dry foods, and you have some space down there which has been left for the freezer. The refrigerator can also be kept on this other side of the pantry or here. Kenya is an agricultural country, na kama penye unaishi hakuna shamba ya kulima, uhame haraka ipasavyo. As you've seen, behind this unit, you have your kitchen garden, and as you can see, inakuja imepandwa vitu mingi. We have some tereres, we have some kales, some spinach, some onions, and hapa juu tuko na kitu inaitwa nyonyoe, or an avocado. Tell me, what do you call avocados in your language? Kwetu inaitwa nyonyoe, kana makodo fair. On that other side, you get a 10,000 liter water tank, and this would be excellent for a big family. Even if maji imepotea for a whole 2 weeks, you'll still be sorted. I'll take you back inside. From the common spaces, you have a staircase that is taking you to the upper level where we have the family bedrooms. Here you get the guest bedroom, and this is the common washroom. Let's see where the guest should spend a lot of time. The guest bedroom is the smallest because it is targeting your guest. Na wageni hawafai kukaa kwako more than 3 days. Kama mtu anataka kukaa more than that, tell them to build their own house. In this bedroom, you get a big window to give your guest enough natural light and a bit of aeration kwa sababu hutaki tena wafintie kwako. And on my far front, you get a floor to ceiling closet, and you are also getting some spaces over here for the shoes. The bathroom or the guest bathroom is here, and it comes with a showering area and a toilet area. If you would want to see most of the projects that have been delivered by 47 Investment Company, make sure you check our website africanrealestate.com. You just need to search build your home, and all the projects done by this developer or this contractor will appear down there. For the shorter version of this video, make sure you check out our TikTok, our Instagram, or our Facebook. On my left hand side, you have the first kids bedroom. The second kids bedroom is on my far front, and the right wing has been reserved for you and your sweetheart. Before we get into the first bedroom, you also need to note that you get some study space over here. The first bedroom is just a replica to the guest bedroom that we saw under it. The window is big as usual, the ceiling heights are excellent, and the closet is here. The partitioning has been done very well, giving you 2 drawers down there, spaces for the hangable clothes, spaces for the foldable clothes, and spaces for the things that you rarely use. You also have some section here for the shoes. This bathroom comes with a vanity. You have a rack to keep the extra tissues. You have a tissue holder. This is the WC, and on my far front where you have the towel holders, you got a space for your showering, and it comes with a beautiful rain shower. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one. The closet is of a similar quality and size. You have a door here that is supposed to take you to the balcony of this bedroom, and from there you get the best view of the rear side of this unit. 2 big windows to give you enough natural light, and the bathroom is here. Come. From the main entrance, you get a vanity. A WC is at the center, and this space has been reserved for your showering. You need to add a shower curtain there. From the second bedroom, you get a very good view of the double volume ceilings, and from here you can peep whatever the people who are in the living room are doing. I like it. In some of the developments that have been delivered by 47 Investments, sometimes kuna kuanga na makosa kidogo hapa na pale. But what I like about him is that he is very vibrant. He tries so many things. Like this unit, you enter from the main door and you have an access to the walk-in closet. So this is the walk-in closet. The bathroom is on my left hand side, and on the right hand side you get the sleeping space. It's a good design. Actually, I would take it. As you can see, the walk-in closet comes with a ton of space here, and that one is targeting your shoes. You have some spaces over here, and here targeting your hangable clothes. You get some drawers down there and an extra space on this side. Wow! If you have people who enjoy shopping, this closet is their dream. This sleeping space is not the biggest, though it is an excellent calibration of where a 6x6 bed or a king-size bed should fit. As you can see, this is where you should do it, and you have some spaces over there to keep the side drawers. I'm loving the ceiling heights. I like it that you get 2 windows in this small space, just to make sure that you are not feeling claustrophobic. The primary bedroom also enjoyed this balcony, and it is facing the front side of the unit. So from here, you'll be able to see all this greenery, what your employees are doing, and your fleet of cars. Interesting. I like it. We are in the primary bathroom, and this is the biggest that we have seen in the channel, especially from 47 Investments. You get your WC at the center and at a tissue holder. Here you have a double towel holder. A vanity is necessary these days, and this space has been reserved for your jacuzzi or for your bathtub. This other side has been reserved for your showering. That's why you have a rain shower over here. A glass will be added here to separate the rest of the bathroom from the showering area. Na bado you'll get this massive window that is bigger than the one in my bed sitter. Mungu Baba, Jesus. Right now, we are at the roof deck, and on top of the 10,000 liter water tank that you saw down there, you also get a 3,000 liter water tanks to make sure that the pressure of water in this unit is at it's optimum. Next to me, you have the outside toilet or the roof deck toilet, and this is excellent, especially when you are hosting. Here, you have your clothes rinse area, and if you don't like your clothes zikaushwe na machine, this is where you bring them to get a bit of aeration. Ladies can understand this. As you can see, the roof deck is massive and it gives you an excellent space for you to enjoy the sunrise or the sunset. Kavati is very beautiful. Just look at the greenery. I love it. I love it. Kama uko na shamba huku muniuzia. We have come to the end of the tour and we hope you have enjoyed. Happy New Year to everyone, and may this year be a blessing to all of you. And make sure you subscribe to this channel because we have a ton of good things coming this year. So, we will see you soon. Bye bye.